Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, is a parallel computing platform and programming model developed by NVIDIA for general-purpose computing on GPUs, graphics processing units. Python developers can harness the power of CUDA through various libraries and tools, including Numba and PyCUDA. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of CUDA programming in Python, using Numba as a primary tool. Before diving into CUDA programming, make sure you have the following installed on your system. Install Conda. If you don't have Conda installed, download and install Anaconda or Mini Conda from https://docs.conda.io/n/latest/miniconda.html. Create a Conda environment, open a terminal and create a new Conda environment. Install Numba. Numba is a just-in-time (JIT) compiler for Python that translates a portion of Python code into machine code, including CUDA code. Let's create a simple example to demonstrate CUDA programming using Numba. Open your favorite text editor and create a file named CUDA_example.py. Add the following code. Save the CUDA_example.py file and run it in the terminal. This simple example adds two matrices using a CUDA kernel. The CUDA.JIT decorator marks the add_kernel function for compilation by Numba's CUDA compiler. This tutorial provides a basic introduction to CUDA programming in Python using Numba. Explore more advanced features and functionalities offered by Numba and other CUDA libraries for Python to harness the full potential of GPU acceleration in your applications. ChatGPT.